Blessed love to the family. As requested, I'm going to be doing quite a few outdoor videos, and I'm going to be doing more videos where I connect with my family. I was just about to say subscribers, but I just remembered I don't use that word anymore, because everyone who comes to the Real Empress Yudah channel, and once you're vibrating on the same frequency as I am, then you are family. Moving right along. So today I'm still focusing on self. And from the last video that I did outdoors, you could see that the focus was about self. So carrying on, I have one question for you. Have you changed your perspective lately? As we grow as humans, we take on different perspectives, we take on different views, and we also change our approach when it comes on to dealing with situations, matters, and whatever it is that's arising in our lives. My question is, have you changed your perspective lately? Because I know I certainly have changed mine. With that being said, I leave you to carry on with answering this question in the comment section. Let me know if you have changed your perspective lately. Blessed love. Have a nutful day. I'm out now. Real Empress Yudah.